Shout out to Mr. Daniel Davis, aka the Hulk, for sending in this topic video. Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you stop eating for a while? You might think skipping meals just makes you hungry, but actually, your body goes into full-on repair mode. That's right, fasting can trigger incredible healing processes at the cellular level. Let's break it down.
Hey everyone, I'm Jordan Spivey with my dad,
Spivey, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our awesome science videos. Also, scan the QR code in the top left corner of the screen to contact us and explore more of our awesome content and material.
In today's video, we'll explain how your body heals itself when you fast.
So let's do this. We'll break down today's video into 5 chapters, beginning with Chapter 1, what happens when you stop eating, Chapter 2, cellular repair and regeneration, Chapter 3, fasting and the immune system, Chapter 4, brain benefits and mental clarity, and Chapter 5, how to fast safely. Let's get started.
Chapter 1, what happens when you stop eating? Alright, let's say you decide to fast. Within a few hours, your body uses up the quick energy from the last meal you ate. It starts looking for another fuel source, stored fat. But the real magic starts happening inside your cells. This is where something called autophagy kicks in. Autophagy, which literally means self-eating, is your body's way of cleaning house. Damaged cells, misfolded proteins, and waste gets recycled and repurposed for energy. Think of it as your body's built-in garage disposal system.
Chapter 2, cellular repair and regeneration. As fasting continues, your body isn't just cleaning up, it's also switching into repair mode. Your cells start producing more antioxidants to fight off harmful molecules called free radicals. Plus, fasting triggers a surge in human growth hormone, also known as HGH, which helps repair tissues, build muscle, and even improve skin health. Studies show that after just 24 hours of fasting, growth hormone levels can increase by up to 2,000%. That means your body is literally rebuilding itself while you fast.
Chapter 3, fasting and the immune system. Did you know fasting can actually reset your immune system? Research shows that during prolonged fasting, which is around 2 to 3 days, your body breaks down old, weak immune cells and starts generating brand new ones. This can be especially helpful for boosting immunity and even reducing inflammation. This process has even been studied in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. Fasting helps regenerate healthy immune cells faster.
Chapter 4. Now let's talk about your brain. When you fast, your body produces ketones, special molecules made from fat that fuel your brain better than glucose. This can lead to sharper focus, mental clarity, and even improved memory. Fasting also increases BDNF, also known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that helps grow and protect brain cells. Low BDNF is linked to depression and neurodegenerative diseases, so fasting might actually help keep your brain younger and healthier.
Okay, before you go skipping all your meals, let's talk about safe fasting. There are different types, like intermediate fasting, which is fasting for 12 to 16 hours a day, 24-hour fasting, which is once to twice a week, and extended fasting, which is 48 hours or more, which is only recommended for medical supervision. And remember, stay hydrated. Water, herbal teas, and even black coffee can keep you going without breaking your fast.
So, to sum it up, fasting isn't just about weight loss, it's about healing, repairing, and rejuvenating your body from the inside out. Whether it's activating autophagy, regenerating immune cells, or boosting brain function, fasting is like a reset button for your health. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried fasting? What was your experience like? We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Peace and have a positive, productive day.